Is your Mac acting weird? Before you blame Safari tabs, you may want to check if hidden spyware is running in the background. Some spyware hides in plain sight, quietly eating up resources. But with a few quick terminal commands, you can spot shady processes on your Mac. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Go to Launchpad, then Terminal. Step 2. Type PSOYUS and press Enter. This command lists all processes running on your system. Step 3. Type Top and press Enter. This gives you a dynamic, real-time view of processes ordered by CPU usage. Step 4. To exit Top, press Q. If you notice anything sketchy, follow up with a trusted malware scanner or call in a pro. Terminal won't fix it, but it gives you the power to know when something's off. For more tech guides, follow Techloy.